known also as DJs Devastated KB, DJ Twin, Mark Melody. He practices skills and felt an overwhelming amount of enjoyment in doing what seemed to come natural. As a result of his dedication, hard work, and reputation, he earned a spot on KCEP FM, the all-new Power 88.1 radio station, as a music director. In the mid-1990s as a DJ. In 2008, Benzo became music director for Power 88 while maintaining the successful DJ status inside the most elite clubs and prominent casinos around the entertainment capital of the world. Benzo enjoys being an active community leader and a dedicated father of three and a loving grandfather. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome my colleague and my friend, DJ Benzo.
What's up, everybody? Thank you, sir. It's an honor to be here, man. Thank you to the Thoreaus, Kimberly and Charles. I'm from the 8903, and I'm a native of Las Vegas. I just want to say thank you for such a humbling accolade. As I look to the left of me, I know music is going to be great as I exit. So, this DJ Icebreak, I taught him everything he knows, but I didn't teach him everything I know. I stole it from you.
Yes, you did. Yes, so I did too.
Thank you, Las Vegas, for the award. Love.
All right, there you go.
Shout